Guys, why wait until dinner to show your Valentine how much you care? When you can wow your sweetheart with a delicious and romantic breakfast in bed. Try this spectacular recipe made with ice cream and bananas, shaped into a hard pancake form. I call it banana melted ice cream pancakes, lovingly made for your ever so special Valentine. Here are the ingredients. Let's start. In a large bowl, whisk together the melted ice cream, egg, butter, and vanilla extract. Mix completely. The use of melted ice cream also precludes the need for additional sugar in the mix, as there is an adequate amount of sweetness from the flavor of your choice. Next, in the same bowl, sift together the flour, salt, and baking powder. And gradually whisk the flour mixture into the egg mixture until well incorporated. Oops! Reminder! Please like and subscribe. Thank you! Next, let's slice 2 bananas. Now, let's start making a heart-shaped pancake. Place a large skillet over medium heat and coat it with butter and sprinkle with 1 teaspoon of sugar. By the way, I made a heart shape for my molding using aluminum foil. But if you already have a properly sized heart-shaped mold, that works, and that's great. Just follow what I do. Place the heart molding on top of the butter and sugar and put the sliced banana inside. Next, drop the desired amount of butter into the molding. Cover the pan to begin cooking the pancake. Once small bubbles form and begin to pop, flip the pancake. Repeat the procedure until all the batter has been used. If you are a banana lover, you should definitely try this recipe. You will be impressed how easy, quick, and delicious this pancake is. Impress your sweetheart this Valentine's Day with pancake that no one can resist. Happy Valentine's everyone! Love, love, love! Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed watching my videos, then make sure you subscribe. Please hit the like and notification bell so you don't miss a single video. See you soon in my next video. God bless!